What's going on, everybody? So we are at the track. Got old Whit over here.
I'm not here.
You are here. He's gonna be helping me today, as well as like everybody else. Brent and Jamie are out here as well. Obviously, they're out here with the MR2. They got that set up. Are you guys ready to make a rip or what?
Yeah.
You guys ready to make a test? Well, test it.
Yeah.
Test it.
I mean,
we're
gonna just send it, bro.
You're just gonna send it out the back right away.
Boost out top, and
okay, he's just gonna go for it right away, huh?
Let her eat.
All right. Well, I'm not that brave. So I just set my car up. I got a little bit of temp in it. I need to test the trans brake really quick. So right here, this first hit is gonna be 12 pounds on the brake. That's what I'm gonna test right now in a second. And it's just gonna sit at 12 pounds for the whole run. I'm only gonna run it out to about the 330 and just make sure everything's good. Come back, pull the log, see how the suspension reacts to it and stuff. Literally everything is new on this car. The whole setup, the motor's the same, front suspension is different. So I'm gonna tighten up the front a decent amount, see how the rear reacts. The right head has changed, so I'm sure some stuff has moved around. It's gonna be learning the whole car again. If you guys are new to the channel, the car is a stock bottom end 5.3. It's just got springs in the head, LS9 gaskets and some studs. The last time we had this out was 2019 of Ice Cream Cruise, and it went 580 in the 8th.
And today it's about to have a 6-piece crankshaft.
No, it is not gonna do that. Pretty conservative on the timing. It's got an 88 on it from VS Racing. It's got some Snake Eater 2200s. It's on a 28-10.5 slick. The slicks are old. They have been sitting, so I'm gonna go up there, rip a fat burnout on them, see if we can get some heat put back into them. If I left anything out and you guys are wondering, I'm sure you can go back and watch some previous videos and figure it out. So we're gonna go test the trans brake really quick and then go get up in the lanes and see what happens today. If I go 550 or faster in the 8th, which I think it should do, and if we can do anything better than that, I'm honestly just out here racing myself. If I can line up with the MR2, that'd be great. But I just wanna go have some fun and make a pass in this car.
Yeah, it needs more creep action. Yeah, I'm sure that O2 sensor just loved all that condensation. Oh yeah. What's up, my guy? Oh shit, you even got the Metigulous shirt on?
Yeah, man.
Spin around, let me see this thing.
I gotta support your boy.
Sheesh! Available at metigulous.com. You're welcome.
I don't have those no more.
Well, what the frick, dude?
I'm happy with that.
Yep.
It just barely creeps. I was on the button for a while too.
Yeah.
I like that it creeps.
Yeah, not super jolty, all freaking.
It wasn't
rocking.
just spinning the back tires, was it?
I don't think so.
No. I'm nervous. I don't know about a wheelie, but ready to do something, hopefully. We didn't come down here to not send it, so
yeah,
I gotta send it.
Yeah, need to watch that front suspension, see what it does.
I mean, it's on 8 right now, so it's pretty tight. We'll see what it does.
Yeah, should be a good rip.
Yeah, I'm curious to see how the front suspension helps it launch.
Yeah,
because before it would just do whatever it wanted. Yeah. So I'm excited.
Let's go!
Oh man! That thing rode out, baby! Yeah! It definitely needs less timing offset for sure. It felt so solid. Oh, it's so crazy. Like, there's so many times I just wanted to give up and go home while I was down here. Just like so frustrated with everything setting me back. That right there was just all worth it. Hopefully, that was a pretty good 60 foot. It felt pretty good in the car and pretty lazy. So I think I can give it quite a bit more on the hit and see what it does.
Let's go, buddy!
How was that?
Dude, it hit hard.
I told you, man. It felt so good in there and so lazy. Oh my goodness,
dude. You can turn it up.
I know, it needs more in the hit for sure.
Yeah.
I want to see the video and see what it did. Did it separate at all or did it squat or what did it do?
I gotta look back at it, I didn't see it.
Okay.
Yeah. Where's your slip?
Brent's gonna grab him.
Yeah.
The car felt solid.
Dude, the 60 looked good. The 60 looked real good.
I'm curious to see, them front shocks felt super stiff.
It didn't look like it came up too much.
No, not at all. I think them front shocks are gonna work real good.
Buddy.
I'm excited.
Yeah.
Dude.
How's that nervousness now? Like
dude,
crazy.
It's so bad, bro.
All right, what's next?
I'm just gonna pull the log off of it.
Okay.
Dude, man, everything, I'm impressed.
Yeah.
I don't know how, it went super straight too. Like,
dude, it worked out like, I don't know what you did alignment-wise, but
tape measure. Decent. That's it. I just measured up the faces of the wheels. All right, we'll pull the log and see if we can improve it from there once Brent gets back.
Let's go.
Gauge is fancy.
All right, so it didn't do as good of a 60 as I thought it did. It looked real lazy out the hole. It was real soft, so I took some of the timing offset out of it. The air fuel looked really good the whole run, so I just gave it like 1%, 2% up top. It went 144 to the 60. Cooper's over here telling me that's amateur stuff.
Telling you need to get on the correct tire for this track.
Yeah, and these tires are old, so I wonder how well it's going to do.
You're going to be doing back of the track stuff.
That's what it's set up for. We're just out here on a super sticky track, so loaded the tune back up in it, and then we're going to go do another test hit.
Better.
Alright, I think it might have separated the front suspension a little bit.
It left a lot better, but I don't know what he did out there. He bled out or something.
Hit boost cut?
Maybe something. Definitely hit power reduction of some kind.
So on the second hit, I took all the timing offset out of it. So that was 12 pounds on the brake, and it was going instantly to 15, and it was just running out. I was trying to run only 15 pounds of boost that hit. The boost cut was set at 18, and so it hit boost cut right away. That's when the nose came down. It didn't do a very good pass, but it looked like it was on a mission. If you actually look, I'll slow-mo right here, but it pulled the wheels. So I guess it did a little baby wheelie. I tightened up the shocks, 3 more clicks, so they are all the way tight right now. So right now, it still has no timing offset in it. I'm leaving on the same boost, 12 pounds, ramping it to 18 instantly. I took some duty cycle out of the map control setup on the table to try to help it not hit boost cut, and I set the boost cut at 20. All the air fuel looks great. It's all like 11.3 to 11.4 under boost, which is awesome. I had Ryan over here. He's out here at Minty Fresh. He drained my, I guess, what is that, like catch can?
Yeah, like surge tank catch can.
Yeah, so.
The line?
Yeah.
It took off and it just, well, you'll see it in the slow-mo, it just sloshed everything out of the back.
Yeah, so I need to put a drain on it and probably drain it every single pass and maybe put where it exits out the back somewhere else. I didn't want to drill through the body of my car, but I may have to. But yeah, I'm really excited. I'm going to go and put it back in the lanes and see what it does. fuels were like 11.5 the whole way, so I'm pretty happy with that. The car seems like it almost needs more boost off the hit.
Buddy.
How was that?
Put some fucking power in it and let it go.
I know, it only did a 138 to 60 right there.
God dang. Give
left.
it 22 pounds and let it eat.
Double the power. Oh, late. What did it feel like?
My fat ass
It
could
felt
run
pretty
off the
lazy.
line faster.
It's lazy like Cooper's
It still
car
did
on the
599 letting out before the 8th.
Did it feel faster than your truck? Like, what do you think by lazy?
Barely.
Pretty sure the old stock Duramax would give this thing a run.
whole stock Duramax.
I can cartwheel off the line quicker.
Did it pour a bunch out that time or no?
No.
It just had too much in it then. We drained
Or maybe you weren't hitting it hard enough.
it. Yeah, or that.
I think it's just not enough on the lead, bro.
It doesn't have enough.
Give it
needs so much
22
more.
pounds.
You were trying to pull power when I got here off the leave.
Yeah, we did 10 degrees right at first because everybody's telling me, oh, it's going to backflip.
I walked up and told you don't do that.
It's just Hayden's style, though. Even before this setup, never enough power.
I was trying to send it, and everybody keeps telling me it's going to wheelie. So I haven't been sending it.
If it wheelies, you lift your foot off the gas a little.
I keep telling him
Or
to put
shift.
power in it till it kicks the tire. Then back it off 2 pounds.
It's not going to kick the tires.
I don't think so either.
I don't think it's going to happen.
This thing separates, it pulls the front, it needs a lot more power.
It needs a way bigger anti-roll bar.
The front end separation was a lot better on that. It was way less now that you tightened it up.
I tightened it all the way up. That's as tight
Yeah.
as it'll go, so.
I think it just needs a lot more on the hit. Don't
like
ramp
15
it. Just
I'm not ramping it at all.
Yeah, so
that
just-
was 15. That was 12 pounds on the hit, instantly to 18.
So I think you need 15 to 20.
I need like 15 and then just let it go straight to 20.
15 on the hit, 20 out, right off.
Yep.
Yep. It almost wheelied right there, but it felt like it hit boost cut again. So I don't know. That's what sucks is not taking it on the dyno is I wasn't able to figure out any of the boost control settings. Boost cut. I gotta figure out the map control on it. I'm not turning the boost cut.
No, I was asking, did it hit cut right there or no?
Cut instantly. Yeah. So turn it up. I'm not turning the boost cut up. I'm gonna figure out the map control. It makes no sense.
It was gonna settle down.
It would have settled right back down.
No, he's
I
saying
don't
he
want
wants
that
to
much
figure out the
boost.
boost control. He
It's
thinks the
going,
boost
like,
control is
straight
going to keep going.
Yeah, it's going straight to the moon. Like it won't, it's not controlling it like that at all. So it just got way too much duty, and I think down low. That's what sucks about like.
Let's take a look.
Yeah, I hope
It
it
didn't hit cut, that would have been a fucking pass.
Yeah. Did it wheelie or something? Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, way
It looked good. I couldn't tell.
Probably
It felt
almost
nice.
a foot.
It was good.
It was definitely flexing a little bit.
Wait for it. There
The
it is.
anti-roll bar. Damn, that would have been real good.
Yeah, it would have rode out.
Dang.
And before it hit the cut, the nose had settled.
Settled a little bit.
And it
turn
was
the
coming
boost
back
cut
down.
off.
And then it hit the
Let it
cut
go.
and it came down.
Yeah.
Honestly,
I just gotta
think
figure out
you
the map control first.
Yeah.
So the car's just making way too much boost, and the duty cycle on like the map controls all wonky, so it has no clue what to do, and it's overshooting, hitting cut, all bad. That's what it did last pass. So what I'm gonna do this run is just go out there, hit the trans brake button to trigger the log, roll out, and then get into it, so that way hopefully it maybe builds quicker, or it builds slower so it doesn't overshoot and do some weird stuff. So just try to get like a better baseline of the map control on this, see what happens.
All right, well, last run wasn't the best.
Yeah, I just hit boost cut right away, so
Yeah.
I just pulled more duty cycle out of it. It sucks because, like, obviously not going to the dyno, I wasn't able to figure out any of, like, the fixed duty cycle in this thing, so I don't even know where to start on this boost controller with this turbo on it, so that's what we're fighting.
Yep.
It's whatever, it's what I get for rushing it, but I mean, it's all good. Like, I came out and I hit it, it seems to be good. Like, it's gonna rip once I can have some more time, like, put on the dyno or do something. So.
Do a wheelie.
He already did a
We already
wheelie.
did a wheelie.
Do a backflip. Do a backflip.
No backflips, no backflips.
Just a wheelie.
Definitely already hit a wheelie.
Yeah. So, I mean, I'm happy with that. I mean, it did like a 130, 160, not that great, but
Yeah.
Hopefully it doesn't hit boost cut this time. I don't know.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah.
Come on, Hayden. I just want to see this thing make a rip. He's come so far. Still hitting boost cut.
Boo! That went kind of how I expected it to go. That 4-port is super finicky, and I have no clue where to even start with it. One pass it was all right, and then the next pass it wasn't, so I'm not too sure what's going on with it. I just got to put on the dyno and actually do something with it and like go through it and figure out what duty cycle yields what boost, because it's just shooting for the moon. Like, it hit 27 pounds of boost the other pass, so, and then hit the cut. So that's what it did. I mean, I guess at least I got it to kind of leave, see how the front suspension works, how the rear works. It all seems to work pretty good. The car's gonna be fast. I just gotta figure it out.
The electric scooters leave harder than Hayden does. Cool.
They could probably not hear you. I'm gonna be leaving here in a couple days, so I'm not gonna have more time to do it. At least I did something with it and it's done, and I can go race it if I want to.
Now
so
you can go get Taco Bell in it.
yeah, I can go drive it around and actually get it tuned, not just go to the track and wing it. So it's a terrible idea. Derek, if you're watching, I'm sorry, but I'll have you tune it here real quick. But anyways, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We're gonna head back, and I'll see you guys back in Colorado.